In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook Messenger. And then let me show you how we can quickly create end-to-end encrypted conversation. To do that, we just need to get into a regular conversation. Then tap right here at our recipient's name, scroll down a bit, and then tap at Go to Secret Conversation. That will create end-to-end encrypted conversation. We can enter and send some message here, and if we go back to our conversations list, we can see that now we got two conversations with that user. The regular one and the encrypted one. These conversations are securely encrypted and no one, including third-party applications, can access the messages in that particular conversation. However, if you don't need it anymore, now I'm going to show you how you can easily delete it. All you have to do is just swipe to the left on that conversation, then hit More, and then tap at Delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the entire conversation? To confirm, hit at Delete. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily remove end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.